Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, The Knowledge Hub. In this video, we are going to learn about the life cycle assessment and recycling. How we can do the recycle, we can learn in this video. If you like my content, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let us learn the objectives first. So there are mainly three objectives. The first one is the purpose and the stages of life cycle assessment, and the second is describe the purpose of each stage, and the third is explain how LCAs and recycling minimize environmental impacts. So I'm creating this video to make you know that the recycling is very much important. Introduction. Every product has an environmental impact, from the resources used to make it to how it is disposed of. Life cycle assessments provide a way to evaluate these impacts at every stage of a product's life. Combining LCAs and recycling. LCAs identify which stages of a product's life cause the most harm. Recycling offers a way to reduce impacts, especially at the end of life stage. Both help make sustainable choices for designing and using products. Let us first learn what is recycling. Recycling means turning used materials into new products. There are several benefits of recycling, such as conserving raw materials and sending less waste to landfills. We can recycle at any stage of the life cycle assessment to reduce environmental impact, conserve resources, and minimize waste. What is a life cycle assessment? LCA. An LCA examines the environmental effects of a product from start to finish. It helps identify ways to reduce environmental footprints at all stages. Business and governments use LCAs to make informed sustainability decisions. There are four main stages. So let us see the four main stages of recycling. The very first stage is raw material extraction. Environmental costs of mining, harvesting, and processing resources fall in the first stage of the cycle. Using recycled materials reduces the need for extracting raw materials, saving resources like metals, plastics, and paper. For example, cutting down trees or mining for metals is the raw materials stage. Second stage is manufacturing and packaging. This stage involves the energy use and emissions from creating and packaging products. Recycled materials often require less energy to process compared to raw materials, lowering the environmental impact. So for example, you can see here factory emissions during production are part of the manufacturing and packaging storage. Now the third stage is use and operation. The next stage considers the impact during the product's use phase. Example, energy consumption. Products made from recycled materials can sometimes be more energy efficient or longer lasting, reduces their impact during use. So you can see the example here, fuel used for a car or electricity for an appliance are part of the use and operation stage. The last and the final stage is end of life disposal. The final stage covers the effects of disposal methods. For example, recycling, landfills, incineration. Recycling is most common linked to this stage because it reduces the waste sent to landfills or incinerators. Instead, materials are reused, saving resources. You can see the example here, waste from single use, plastics versus recycling is a part of the end of life disposal stage. Here at the end you can see the glossary. All the points have been listed here, so you can check out. Now if you like my content, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.